autumn is the perfect time for gathering around the dinner table to bond with family and friends over delicious comfort food.
I just got a whiff of this too. It's so yummy. Here to share her seasonal favorites is a Brooklynite with a passion for Middle Eastern cooking. Please welcome the owner of Kubeh, Melanie Shurka. It's great to see you, Melanie.
Great to be here. Thank you so much.
You mean business. She got here early and she has been on the move since she walked into the studio, so thank you for that. What was your inspiration behind Kubeh? Kubeh.
They're all right. Kubeh, Kubeh, Kubeh. Depends on where you're from and how it's said. So Kubeh is a restaurant in Greenwich Village. We highlight Kurdish, Iraqi, Syrian cuisine with a Persian Israeli twist because that's where my family's from. Wow. So I grew up with this food. We highlight kubeh specifically, which is a dumpling loved all over the Middle East. We do a soup version of it, also a fried one. I actually brought the soup version to roll some with you.
Sure.
It's a semolina. You have to get your hands a little wet if you want to join me.
This is like an actual dough.
This is an actual dough of semolina and bulgur wheat.
Should we get in here?
You can.
It's a little sticky, so you want to put your fingers in there to wet them a little bit.
Okay.
And it's actually quite fun. You're just kind of rolling
like a meatball-ish?
Ish, yeah. You're just grabbing like a ravioli, let's say.
Like a ravioli.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a thick dough.
And turn it into a circle?
Into a circle, exactly.
Can we do this for stress? Like this is actually anti-stress.
And then this is a Kurdish-style slow-cooked beef kubeh. And so what we're going to fill it with celery leaf and allspice. So we're going to take these and then flatten it like a disc.
Okay.
Flatten it out.
Okay.
And then we're going to take some of this, just like a nice piece. You can use your fingers.
Stop it right now.
And then you're going to, just like Play-Doh, you're just going to wrap it.
I was not expecting that.
Okay.
And then you're going to roll it in your hands and then like flatten it like a disc.
Okay. Look at how cute that is. You got it? You're a machine over here.
Yeah, exactly.
Holy smokes.
Perfect.
Because I want to eat.
That's perfect. And then you want to push down
like a seasonal
and roll.
menu? Is that like?
Yeah, so at Kubeh, so this is the dumpling, and then we'll have a little bit of it later. This is the Kubeh soup with the dumplings in it. This is what it looks like after those Kubeh dumplings are boiled.
Oh, gosh.
So we have 3 soups that we're serving right now with either a mushroom Kubeh or a slow-cooked beef Kubeh. This is selek, which is a beet soup. We do a hamusa, which is a Swiss chard soup. And then a Persian chicken rice vegetable soup as well that you can pick your dumplings to go in the soup.
Oh, flatten.
Yes, amazing, exactly.
So you boil these.
Boil them,
and
correct.
then they can find their way into a soup.
Exactly.
Or not.
Wow.
They always find their way into a soup, this version. Otherwise, they're fried. And then they're served like little croquettes. And those you eat dry without soup.
This is very soothing.
Like, that's what I said.
This is a real comfort food
for the elections, right?
But speaking of seasonal, so we have 3 soups right now. In the summer, we'll go down to 2 soups.
Okay.
We have on our fall menu a butternut squash with whipped feta, with chermoula and pepitas and urfa, a Turkish smoked pepper. We have our fall chopped salad with shaved Brussels sprouts, dried blueberries, tomato, lentil. It's done in a lemon dressing. It's gluten-free. It's healthy and delicious.
Wow, that's gluten-free.
It is.
What's happening here?
So here, this is really fun. It's a scallop crudo pitada. So it's, think pita meets tostada. So we take a pita, fry it like a tostada, and top it with the scallops.
You're a genius.
So we have like Mexican meets Middle Eastern, and we have a sumac pickled onion salad in the center with chili and pomegranate and sumac. On top with a leche de tigre that we make in-house, which is a coconut, ginger, cilantro, lime sauce that goes with that. And then we have our spreads, which is on the menu at all times. We have our hummus, our muhammara, and our labneh. The way you see it here is as a spread trio. You can only have it with our large party. When you join us at the restaurant, you can seat 10 to 22 people. We're a great place for large
family-style dining.
100%. I grew up with a family of having dinners of like 20+ people, Shabbat dinner, and there was more dishes than there were people, and you had a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and that's what dining at Kubeh is like. It's a little of this, a little bit of that.
So nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've lost track of where I am because this all looks incredibly
Me too.
delicious.
I even lost track and I stopped rolling.
You have you have also a cocktail?
As I
Yes.
steal a bite of this.
Do it. I was gonna say, get into any of these.
Well, while you do that, I'm gonna
try my hand at another one of these guys. I love this.
So you have cocktails that you're whipping up over there.
Yes, we have. This is one of our favorites for the fall. This is a torshi teeny. Torshi is a Persian pickles.
Oh.
And so we make these Persian pickles in-house, and we're using the brine to make a torshi martini,
I like that.
i.e. the torshi teeny.
Sure. Who needs an espresso martini? You haven't said a word.
You are so good.
This is so up my alley. I try to eat like this with my family.
Now you have
twice
to
a
go
week.
with as a group. Can I just
You can
eat
just-
enough for a group?
So that's the setup for when you're a large party, but of course you can come as one, you can come as two, and then the dishes are set up small so you can experience a lot of different things
So
at
if we don't
once.
see you one day, we know where to find you. Tell us about your Thanksgiving special, please, madam.
Yes. So on the subject of soup and the fall,
Yeah.
I actually brought our butternut squash soup that's part of our Thanksgiving menu. So we're open Thanksgiving Day, full Thanksgiving feast. Traditional Thanksgiving dinner, but we have this butternut squash soup topped with a dollop of labneh, caramelized onion, and candied walnuts.
Yummy.
It's also part of our catering package for 4, for 8 to
Holy
12.
moly.
Highly recommend that. And also if it gets ordered this week by Thursday, it's $40 off for that.
Excellent.
So we're really
That's it.
we love butternut squash.
You covered all the bases. I'm going to take a. May I?
Please, yes, please do.
And
I'm going to
remind
pour
folks-
myself one as
Remind
well.
folks where they can find you.
Yes, so we're on 6th Avenue and
Nice.
11th Street
6th and 11th. All right.
As I'm trying
That
every
is-
in
single
Greenwich
thing.
Village.
I love it.
It's delicious.
Fantastic. All the information is right there, Melanie. Thank you so much. I just want to do this all day.
Okay.
I just want to
I want to eat this all day.